Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gravel vacuum is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a pristine and healthy environment in your 5-gallon aquarium, ensuring crystal clear water and a thriving aquatic ecosystem by efficiently removing unsightly debris, uneaten food, and fish waste that accumulate in the substrate, all while minimizing stress to your delicate fish and plants during routine tank maintenance. Number 5. QZQ Aquarium Gravel Cleaner 2026 Edition. Introducing the ultimate solution for a pristine fish tank. This multifunctional kit uses a siphon design to handle everything from sand washing to algae scraping. It quickly changes water, ensuring a clean and comfortable home for your fish. Experience a new level of safety and quiet. Its manual press design requires no electricity and operates silently. A high-quality airbag creates strong siphon pressure, quickly removing muddy water while a built-in filter protects your fish and gravel. Installation is incredibly simple with this upgraded vacuum. Just press the handle a few times to start the water flow. You can even agitate gravel to remove debris, and it securely attaches to your tank, freeing your hands. This cleaner comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, making it suitable for various tank types and sizes. It includes multiple pipes, clips, a temperature sticker, a fishing net, and an algae scraper. Everything you need for thorough maintenance is right here. Designed for ultimate convenience, this handheld kit is easy to operate. It works stably and efficiently without electricity or noise, saving you valuable time. Enjoy a cleaner tank with less effort. What we like. This cleaner offers a comprehensive multifunctional cleaning kit, handling everything from gravel washing to algae scraping. If you have various cleaning needs and appreciate a complete package, this one provides all the tools you need for a sparkling tank. Its wide range of accessories makes it incredibly versatile for different tank setups. What people say. Number 4. SEAOURA Aquarium Siphon Gravel Cleaner. Introducing the SEAOURA Aquarium Siphon Gravel Cleaner. This innovative tool makes maintaining a pristine fish tank simpler than ever. It's designed to keep your aquatic environment healthy and sparkling. This versatile cleaner offers 3 vital functions: gravel washing, stain scraping, and waste removal. Using siphon principles, it quickly improves water quality, creating a clean and comfortable home for your fish. Equipped with a filter basket net, it ensures your beloved fish and small gravel are safe from being sucked out. Its built-in dual airbags and atmospheric cavity provide effortless operation, even for small nano tanks. Featuring a new manual press design, it requires no electricity and operates silently. This saves you time and brings great convenience to your tank cleaning routine. Regular use helps maintain a dynamic and balanced aquarium environment. With spliced extension tubes, it offers a 2-stage splicing combination, allowing you to customize its length as needed. This makes it suitable for both large and small aquariums, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Setting it up is straightforward, just ensure all parts are installed correctly. Its design is focused on making your aquarium maintenance tasks easier and more effective. What we like. This model stands out with its efficient 3-in-1 functionality, combining gravel wash, stain scraping, and manure suction. If you are looking for effortless operation in a small nano tank, its built-in dual airbags provide excellent resilience. The spliced extension tubes also make it adaptable for various tank sizes. What people say. Number 3. Carefree Fish Aquarium Gravel Cleaner Kit. Keeping your fish tank pristine is now simpler than ever. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a sparkling clean aquatic environment. It handles multiple tasks to ensure your tank stays healthy and beautiful. This versatile tool isn't just for gravel. It efficiently washes sand, scrapes away algae, and removes fish waste and other debris. Plus, it makes water changes a breeze. Featuring a new manual press design, it requires no electricity, making it safe and convenient. Its high-quality, pressure-resistant airbag creates a super strong siphon, quickly drawing out muddy water. A built-in filter net ensures your beloved fish and small gravel stay safely inside the tank. You can clean with confidence, knowing they won't be accidentally sucked out. Getting started is incredibly easy, just press it 3 to 5 times. It's designed for effective waste removal, with a controlled drainage speed to ensure thorough cleaning without rushing. This package comes with a 6-foot water pipe, an algae scraper, flow control clips, a skimmer net, and a long handle sponge brush. Everything you need is right at your fingertips for a complete cleaning experience. What we like. This cleaner excels in its careful design for thorough cleaning, featuring a slower drainage speed to ensure maximum removal of feces and debris. If you prioritize meticulous cleaning over speed and want to ensure every bit of waste is removed, this is an excellent choice. It also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories for a complete cleaning experience. What people say. Number 2. Carefree Fish Aquarium Gravel Vacuum Sand Cleaner, 830 gal tank. This versatile tool simplifies tank maintenance. It acts as a gravel cleaner, water changer, algae scraper, and even collects fish waste, keeping your aquarium pristine. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free ABS material, it's built to last. Its odor-free construction ensures it's completely harmless to your aquatic friends, providing a safe environment. Experience quick and efficient water changes with its 80 GPH capacity. It can reach depths of up to 25.7 inches and comes with a generous 6-foot outlet pipe for easy drainage. Forget complicated setups or electricity. With just 3 squeezes of the upgraded siphon ball, water flows automatically and continuously, making tank cleaning a breeze. It offers the performance of an electric vacuum without any risk of leaks or power cords. This makes it a safe, reliable, and powerful solution for maintaining your fish tank. What we like. This vacuum is perfect for those who value durability and efficiency, made from robust ABS and EVA materials for long-lasting use. If you need to change water quickly, its 80 GPH water changer function is a significant advantage. It's designed for reliability and speed, making tank maintenance a breeze. What people say. Number 1. Aqueon Siphon Gravel Cleaner 9-inch. This innovative tool simplifies your routine aquarium maintenance. It makes water changes easier and more efficient than ever before. Starting the water flow is incredibly simple. Just use an easy up and down motion, and it begins working instantly. It effectively removes dirty water from your tank. Simultaneously, it vacuums out unsightly debris and waste from your gravel, keeping your aquarium pristine. Featuring a 6-foot flexible hose, it offers ample reach. A handy clip is included for securely attaching the drain hose to the inside of a bucket, preventing spills. The package includes everything you need: the long flexible hose, a self-priming intake tube, and the useful hose clip. It's designed for aquariums ranging from 15 to 35 gallons. What we like. This cleaner is a straightforward and reliable option, making routine water changes incredibly easy with its simple up and down motion to start the flow. If you have an aquarium between 15 to 35 gallons and prefer a no-fuss, effective tool for basic maintenance, this one is perfectly suited. Its design focuses on simplicity and efficiency for common tank sizes. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.